Hey everyone, so I made a post here in the Facebook group on a tutorial on how to get a dofollow.org link. And by the way, if you want to join the Facebook group, just go to connect.co/group and you will be able to join. But yeah, today I'm going to show you exactly how you can get this powerful dofollow link. Here's a sample as well. And I'm going to show you the majestic metrics as well for this link. And here is a sample. I'm also going to show you that it is in fact a dofollow link. And you do this by going to inspect element. And I'm not sure if you can see this. I think you can. Just give it a second while it loads. And as you can see, it is a dofollow link. Now, how can you actually get it? Oh, and first let me show you the metrics of the domain, sorry. So it is a dofollow link and it is from a .org domain, and the metrics here in Majestic are not the best for the domain itself, but yeah, nonetheless, it's a dofollow.org link. It's always a great link to have in your portfolio if you want to diversify your link portfolio. So what you do is go here to the post, click here this link, and go here, create an account. This is also pretty straightforward. And I'll just use a trash email. Let's do this one, paste it in, and username can be whatever we want, password, whatever we want, and 27363. And you create an account. Then we wait for this to load, and it's extremely straightforward. You can add your article here, you can add images, bullet points, you can add custom HTML. You can basically make this a whole thing. And as you can see here, a couple of examples. People can comment as well and leave links. But basically what you do is, which was what I did, you write your article here and insert link, and you bam, go here, put your link, and you're done. And you hit share public and you'll have a link just like the one I showed you here. And that's basically it. This is the tutorial on how to get to dofollow.org link. Yeah, if you want to see more SEO training and more link tutorials, make sure to join the group. It's if you want to go through this link, it's facebook.com/groups/connect.seo, or just go to connect.co/group, and you'll be able to join as well. We're almost approaching 1,000 members, so that's always good. But yeah, we have a bunch of content here. We have a video I just posted. You can also win a giveaway. We do giveaways on a weekly basis. Here's another link tutorial. What do we have more here? People ask questions, other people reply. It's a really helpful group, and people help each other, which I really like. Thank you so much for helping out. Another giveaway. Yeah, if you don't join, you know where to find it. And thank you so much. Bye-bye.